1973, the Supreme Court gave us what at the time I thought was an illuminating decision by offering to the American public a clear understanding of a woman's right to choose her health care as it pertains to the subject at hand. Roe versus Wade was forward-leaning, and H.R. 7 is backward-leaning. For a variety of reasons, 41 years later, some choose to continue the divisiveness that the issue at hand causes. More than 6 times in this committee, I've related that when I was in college, 3 women had botched abortions and one with a coat hanger. And those deaths of those 3 college students that I went to school with sear in my memory every time we bring this subject up. For the reason, if in a perfect world for those who would argue that there should be no abortion, then I shudder to think that we would return to the back alley approaches that were used when I was a young man. I was very proud of the Supreme Court. I had been practicing law 10 years at that time. I also, in anticipating a decision, since there's been so much effort over the 41 years to try to turn the clock back, the court likely will address this subject, and I hope that it will be as illuminating and forward-thinking as Roe versus Wade was and is. Enough of the culture war and back and forth, and it makes it hard when you put subjects like this before us. It makes it hard for us who are desirous of agreeing on a number of things that could move our country forward to carry our country backward. I know we all heard or read about Governor Huckabee's unfortunate articulation of issues as it pertains to women. I take note of the fact that the whole Republican membership of the Judiciary Committee is male. And I further state that I think that men ought to butt out of this subject and be about the business of respecting women and their rights with an understanding that they are very capable, especially since women had all of us, of taking care of their ideas with reference to what they should do with their bodies.